Hello everybody, welcome to Adam Explorer, a channel where we make Arabic fun and easy to learn. Let's begin our journey.
Lesson 4.3
الفعل الأمر.
Important to note, all
الفعل
will relate with dormir pronouns. Quantity of 1, 2, 3 and more.
مفرد مثنى جمع.
Special letters at beginning and ending of.
الفعل
Specify gender, male, female.
مذكر مؤنث. الفعل الأمر
Is also known as command tense. As it is a command tense, it only uses 6 domir.
اكتب.
Means write. We will use the verb for
الفعل الأمر.
how to identify the quantity and gender in
الفعل الأمر.
Observe the beginning and ending letters used in the verb. Let's look at the 6 domir. Can you identify each?
الفعل
You have just learned lesson 3 of 3,
الفعل الأمر.
which is also known as command tense. Keep on practicing. Stay tuned for upcoming lesson. Recap on
الفعل.
Do support us by subscribe, like, follow and share. إلى اللقاء. See you again.